Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to integrate the Gemini API in Node.js. First, ensure you have Node.js installed on your system. Version 18 or higher is recommended. Next, create a new project folder and initialize it with npm. Finally, you'll need a Google Cloud project with the Gemini API enabled to generate an API key, which is crucial for authenticating your requests. Once your environment is set up, the next step is authentication. Head over to Google AI Studio to generate your API key. After securing your key, install the official Google Generative AI SDK using npm. Then, initialize the Google Generative AI client in your Node.js application, passing your API key securely, ideally via an environment variable, to ensure your credentials remain private. With the client initialized, you're ready to make your first API call. Choose a Gemini model, like Gemini Pro, which is excellent for text-based interactions. You can then send your text prompts to the model using the Generate Content method. The API will return a response object, from which you can extract and utilize the AI-generated text output in your application, opening up many possibilities. Beyond basic text generation, the Gemini API offers advanced features. You can implement multi-turn conversations to build more engaging chatbots, maintaining context across multiple exchanges. Additionally, explore multimodal capabilities, allowing you to combine image and text inputs for richer prompts. For more details and code examples, check the description below. And while you're there, look for other great deals, like those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.